Bible calls the nations, those who are of the stock of Japhet, the Gentiles. He calls them the oppressor. Right?
They forget that you already got the head start by 10 miles. You already come into the world privileged. You don't have anything against you. They've been trying to kill us as soon as we come out the womb.
I'm not saying it can't happen to me, but if it does, somebody dying.
You just had one white person walk around lynching niggas.
Oh man,
It's hundreds.
Hundreds.